Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to open your account on Neteller web application. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So after you log into the accounts that you have just created, now you will need to get started. You will need to click on get started, and so you can add your personal information as the address, the city, the postal code, etc., and then you will go for next. And basically after that you will complete the registration. So after you confirm all your personal informations, you will find this homepage as follow. So basically now all you need to do is to go to the Neteller, and now you can withdraw money, you can add money, you can transfer them, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.